This is the fourth part of color clearance with the extra black. Having ability to finishing frames, it is crucial to win more frames and matches. In this video, we will show you the way how to get position for the yellow ball when the cue ball is slightly below black ball spot and you are shooting black ball to the left corner pocket. I will play 2 cushion positional shot for the yellow ball using touch of right hand side and below cue ball center and using medium pace. Sub screw shot for the yellow ball, nothing spectacular. Anyway, simplicity is a key to win more frames and matches. The simpler your snooker game, the better you are as a player. Small distance, good angle for the next positional shot, nothing to worry. Still, players tend to play these shots too slow or too hard, because they don't have clear picture in their heads where they want to make position. In this position, the best idea is to make position for the brown in such a way that the cue ball should be slightly lower than brown ball spot. Play it slightly slower than medium pace and you should be fine. I have a nice angle for the brown ball and I have 2 options how to play position for the blue. I can play power stun shot and make position for the blue ball into the middle pocket, or play with the screw back shot and make position to the opposite side. It is personal preference, but I like to play more power stun shot because I feel more control in my cue ball control. Again, a nice angle for the blue ball. I need to play roll-in shot and make position for the pink into the right corner pocket. From the viewer's point, it looks ridiculously easy shot, like it is nothing, but it's not easy as you think. You can't be careless, because if you play it just tiny bit too hard, you will miss position for the pink slightly. You will be lower pink ball spot and have difficulties to get to the black ball. So play it gently and make sure that cue ball should be slightly higher than pink ball spot. A nice angle for the pink ball. 2 simple options how to make position for the black ball. First way is you can play center cue ball, use 1 cushion and make position for the black ball. Second way is to play stun shot without cushion and make position for the black ball. I prefer to play second way, because there's almost no risk to misjudge cue ball speed. Why not first way? Each table have different cushion bounds. Some are slower, some are faster. If I don't know table pretty well, I will not allow myself to risk, especially if you are in the tournament and play on the table which you never played before. Just make sure you put the black ball in the end of the frame. If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.